What's up, YouTube? Welcome. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what they don't tell you about passive income. So I'm going to tell you the truth. So stick around and watch this video to the end. I'm going to give you guys everything from A to Z and tell you everything about passive income, because you probably heard it a lot. Passive income here, passive income there, and everybody would love to have a passive income because it is great. And you can make money consistently over and over again once you have passive income. But I'm going to tell you the truth, and I've realized that a lot of people out there are not getting down deep dive and tell you exactly how it works. All they're just telling you is passive income, and a lot of people out there don't have a clue of exactly what it is. So if this is your first time, if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I want to say subscribe to it, like this video, turn on that bell notification, so every time I create a new video, you are going to be the first one to be notified. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. You know the drill. Before we even get started, I want everybody, whether it's your first time or if it's your second or third time, in the comments area, I want you to type in the word passive income. All right, so what passive income is? Passive income is generating an income which you already put the work in, and it consistently pay you over and over and over again. And if you guys are looking for my #1 recommendation of passive income, especially in the online world, the online field, and make money online, check out the link down below in the description. But let me just dive into things. Passive income. If you guys want to learn how to get passive income, right, it's not easy. Let me say this again. Most of you probably don't want to hear this, but I'm telling you the truth. It is not easy. At the beginning, it's going to be struggles, it's going to be hardship, and it's going to be failure. And some of you who probably watch this video will not have a passive income, because guess what? Most of you guys don't have the guts. Most of you don't have the, the drive, the passion of going after it. Majority of people are one to look for something that is quick, something that is easy, and they don't want to work for it. As soon as you tell them it's going to be difficult, they say, you know what, this is not for me. And they try to find the next quickest or the next easiest thing. But guess what? There's no such thing as the next quick or easiest thing out there. Believe it or not, I'm just going to tell the truth. And a lot of people I see online or in the YouTube space is not giving you the cold truth. So I'm going to get real deep and real harsh, all right? So the first thing, there's many different ways how you can create passive income, right? The first one you could do, you can create a blog. So if you want to write a blog, yeah, start a blog. In the beginning, it's going to seem like nothing is happening. But then afterwards, you can then have that AdSense and you could start to get ranked. And what's going to happen is Google's going to say, well, hey, this person is producing great content, so let me just push you up on the first page, or maybe you're on the 50th page, and then they bump you up to the 30th. And then they bump you up to the 20th, to the 10th, and then to the 1st. But it's going to take a required work. Takes a lot of time and to get it set up. So if you're someone who is, you work a 9 to 5, but then you have some time in between, and most people have kids. I have a kid, right? His name is Jackson, probably watching this right now. He's 16 months, right? And I talk about him all the time, and I have a wife, so I do have to give them time, and I do have to give them my attention as well, right? So what I do and what I'm telling you to do, if you work, right, from 9 to 5, and let's say even if you have 2 jobs, there has to be a time where you need an hour where you need to work on your business. I don't care what you have to say. Like today, I was doing a training all day. I work online, my wife work online. Today was absolutely busy. And I decided to shoot this video, right? So you have to, they're in bed and I'm downstairs right now. I could have said, you know what, I'm gonna go to bed. But I said, I have to do this, right? So there's a difference between habits and lifestyle. It takes 21 days for habits, and it takes 90 days for you to have a lifestyle. Think about it. Think about that for a second. Let that sink in. 21 days to have habits, 90 days to have a lifestyle. So you have to you have to do something consistently for 21 days for it to be a habit, and 90 days for it to be a lifestyle. That's what it is, come down to a nutshell. And the next thing you could do, you could have a YouTube channel and talk about different reviews. Remember, you can go into the gaming niche. What if you're someone who likes to play video game, right? You can actually create a gaming channel on video games. What if you're someone who is in the woodworking or electrical field? Create a channel around electrical or woodwork, because some of you probably be like, well, there's tons of people out there that actually is doing this already, so why are they gonna watch me? So why are you watching this right now? Exactly, because you know that, hey, Andre just speak the truth, and I tell you all about it. There's people out there who like different type of people. Even if there's a million people out there doing the same thing, someone is gonna say, you know what? I like this guy. I want to listen to him. I love how he speaks the truth and he gets down to the core. Somebody will probably be like, you know what, this guy, he's full of everything. I don't want to listen to him. He's talking, other YouTubers are saying this is easy and this and that. But they're not telling you the truth. I just tell him from the core. I tell him from the heart. So whether you want to hear it, yes or no, that is absolutely okay. Go to Joe Smith or whoever it is who's going to sugarcoat everything and tell you, oh yeah, all you got to do is push a button and it's going to be easy. No, it's not. It's going to require work. Passive income requires works in the beginning. I already have my passive income. I have multiple streams of passive income. But if I can do it, so do you. Because I'm no different. I'm just a regular guy who's trying to get by and feed my family and try to make it for the better life. So if you're willing, and if you want to push yourself to the extra limit, you want to push yourself over the edge, you really want to do this, think about it, my friend. Put the work in for the next 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, so you can live the life that you always dream about. Think about that for a second. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I know I hit it home and I hit it raw. So if you were looking for my #1 recommendation of passive income, check out the link down below. And I'll talk to you guys soon. And remember, join my free Facebook group so you guys can be in tune and know what goes on. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Peace.